Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Thar for clutch replacement at the moment. You can just have a look at this vehicle. This is a modified Thar which has come for a clutch replacement. You can just have a look at the vehicle is in the ramp at the moment, and we have removed the gearbox completely on this vehicle. You can just have a look at the gearbox which has been completely removed. This is the main gearbox, and that's a four-wheel gearbox, and that's the joints. You can just have a look at this. Joints have been removed, and this is a place where flywheel also will be fitted. We have removed the flywheel and we have faced it, and right now we have received the flywheel also, which is going to be installed on the machine. This is the flywheel. This is the old flywheel which has been faced, and we are reusing the flywheel once again. We have procured a brand new releaser bearing in this, so you can just check out the brand new releaser bearing. And also we have a LUK clutch, completely clutch plate as well as the pressure plate, and this is the clutch plate and this is the pressure plate from LUK. So this is the OEM from Mahindra. Mahindra uses only LUK clutches, and we are going to use Hella gear oil in this. For any kinds of clutch replacement, for any kinds of general service regarding Thar, Bolero, Gypsies, Gurkhas, Classics, or MM540, MM550 Gypsies, please do WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from this Thar for regarding the fitting also. I'll be making a video and showing you guys. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.